Today in Environmental Engineering Laboratory, we are going to explain you about dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen is also called DO. According to IS 10500-2012, there are various parameters given for the drinking water. To find the DO of a drinking water in IS 10500-2012, the range is given from 4 to 8 milligram per liter. DO is also very important for aquatic life. For fishes to survive, the DO value should be greater than 4 milligram per liter. Now, how to conduct this practical in a laboratory? The instrument which we are going to use to check the DO of a drinking water is HQ40D portable meter. You can see the instrument here. This is HQ40D portable meter. Okay, now I'll give you description of this. This is called DO meter. This is called USB DC adapter. This is called electrode probe, which is having a sensor, and this is AC DC power supply. Now, how to start the practical? A very first step to start the practical, turn the meter power on. Now switch on the instrument from here, and this button is for light. Now next step is plug the probe into the meter. Push and turn the locking nut to tighten. Now take the fresh distilled water for calibration. Now take the fresh distilled water for calibration. Place the probe above the flask which is having a distilled water. Now press calibrate and read. At 100 degrees saturation, you will get the value of DO along with the temperature. The indication of the DO is given when there is a red and blue blink in the sensor. At DO meter at 100 degrees saturation, you have a value of a DO is 6.87 milligram per liter and at temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. This was the step for the calibration. Now next step, to find the DO of a given sample of water, you have to take the sample of a water to determine its DO and place the probe above the flask of the drinking water. Now press the read button, and again at 100 degrees saturation you will get. Now at 100% of saturation you will get the value for DO along with the temperature, and there is a blink in a sensor which indicate the experimental value has been achieved. You can take the various reading. You can take various readings of a different sample of a water. Now, you should take different precautionary measures while working with this instrument. Firstly, all the probes should be connected tightly. There should be no air bubble present in the sample. Sample should be checked for DO as soon as it is collected from the site. Thank you.